Hello and welcome. It's Peg, and I am on day 11 of AJ Snark Attack 2020. This is Snarky Journal Pages for the whole month of October, brought to you from Art Joy is Sharing, which is our Facebook group. Chelsea and I do a group together. We also do a channel together. So, this is a fun, fast, easy journal page. I'm continuing on with the cat theme today, since I still have these stamps out from Laurel Birch, and I am going to emboss some imagery. This cat and some butterflies. Shell was doing butterflies the other day with her rabbit and made me think about doing some butterflies. I haven't done any of those in this journal yet, but gotta get the butterflies out every once in a while. So I'm just embossing with some white embossing powder. And I had previously gessoed this page black. So I'll hit that with the heat tool, melt that embossing powder, and then I will get out some pens. So for this, I am using some Jelly Roll pens. They're, I think, called Moonlight. They show up very vibrant on the black. And then I also will use some Posca pens. And I'm just going to blend those out using water brush. So I'll speed things up and let you see how this goes. So I hope you're enjoying this challenge for the month. This one is all about cat naps. And just going to put a border on it, and that'll be it for me for today. And I will see you again soon. Thanks for visiting, and remember to be kind, love one another, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye.